Hello everyone and welcome to another video from me, and today I am very excited because I have just received a package directly from Poland from a very good seller, which I will talk about in the end of this video after showing you the contents. And the reason why I am excited, because inside here is one of the kits that I have been waiting for a long time to finally own. So let's go ahead and open up the box. As you can see, it is still completely sealed. Nice. All right, so as we can see, very good packing. That is great to receive your model cars in the perfect way possible. And now let's begin to see the contents, more packing. Everything will reach us in the perfect possible way. And the kit that I have been most excited about, I can see it straight away on the top of the bunch. Oh, all of them grouped together. Lots of goodness in just one packing right there. Hey, there it is. There are my goodie bags over there. Nice. Lots of Tamiya classic kits. Two very nice Tamiya classics. The Hasegawa STP Civic as driven by Keiichi Tsukiya, and also the Tain Lancer Evolution. Exactly what I ordered. Let's begin to take them out. Okay, right there, as we have seen, lots of packing. Thank you very much, dear seller. That was amazing because everything arrived without any problems or damages at all. And the first one, the Lancer Evolution 7, I have already built this kit, and it is this one right here. As you can see, I decided to go for a yellow without any livery, and that is because why did I get another one? Just because this is not for me, it's for my friend, so that will be handed to him. However, the seller promised me that it is a brand new, and from what I can see, it is completely brand new. And there is also, as you can see, the Tain official leaflet over there, the same one which I had also in my kit. So for those of you that don't know, this kit actually gives you a real Tain brochure of the era when this kit was released. Also, what's more, the Keiichi Civic as driven by Mr. Tsuchiya himself. And as you can see, there is no limited edition printed on the box. That means that this is the earlier release. It is the first release of the Civic. And as regards this kit, the seller was very helpful. He showed me the decals in every possible detail so that I will be sure what I was exactly buying. He told me that they were yellowed, and I can already see that they have gone a little bit yellow. However, he carefully explained about that, and I didn't find any problem about acquiring this particular kit. The second set of decals is also over there. Other than that, it is completely brand new, and this is a first for me that I am seeing parts that are actually stapled to the box. Okay, no problem at all about that. Very nice, completes my JTCC collection straight with the other Civics. Now, a Tamiya Unicorn, very nice, the Unizia Jax Nismo GTR, and the R33 version. We don't see a lot of this kit anymore, right now, so it was nice. And however, this one belongs also to my friend, it's not mine. However, once again the seller showed everything to me, and that is exactly what my friend wanted. Decals, okay, and everything is brand new from what I can see, just as the seller explained to me also. So this is another classic Tamiya kit, as you can see. And finally, my own unicorn, a kit that I have been waiting a lot to finally buy. Let me adjust the camera because it was set for when there were a lot of kits on the bench. Now it's just this one that remain. Okay, so here it is. My unicorn, something which I really wanted, and finally it's over here. Very happy with this achievement. And once again, the seller told me right away, once I told him that I was interested in the Accord, he instantly told me, hey, the decals, they are kaput. And he sent me pictures of all the decals because they were completely cracked. So I knew beforehand what I was buying, not the kit arriving and you will find it by surprise. So I'm very happy that the seller explained everything about the decals. I can see that they are cracked and everything. However, new replacement should be not much of a hassle to get. However, I did appreciate from the seller that he told me the contents, the condition that these decals were in. Finally, just the Accord kit. Other than that, as the seller had told me, it is brand new, no bends on the roof, the glasses and everything else is just there. So anything that Tamiya gave us back in the day when it comes to the Accord, it is right there. Okay, so let's close it back, right there. And let me just show you why I was so excited about this kit. And here is the reason why, because it finally completes my there we go, yay, my 3 Tamiya Accord kits. They are my favorite, the Tamiya Accord. So now I must say that I have completed all 3, which is something which I really am happy about. I will need to find a slot for the other JTCC Civic to continue into the collection and also give the other kits to their owners. So that is all from me, and this was my first official packing, opening, box, unboxing, whatever it is called. I hope I managed to share my excitement with all of you about the kits which have just arrived. In the beginning of this video I mentioned the seller, and it is this person right here. Okay, to be completely honest with you, I paid the amount that was asked from me, so this is not an advertisement, alright, or he didn't pay for this video. So this is my true honest opinion about this seller, which he was very helpful. As I've said, he was very patient with me, with showing me the internal pieces of all the kits. So feel free to contact him. I am including a picture of him right here. This is his official Facebook page. I got to know him because of the Facebook group Model Kits for Sale, which you can see a preview right here. You can search for him in this Model for Sale group, or else contact him directly from that profile. He has a huge collection of model kits. Shipping is from Poland, which for me was great because of the taxes. I thank you all for watching, and I will see you in my next video, which will be very soon regarding the Toyota Exif. Thank you.